All right, Christian Rivera here, Classic Cars of Palm Beach. We are doing a walk around video on our 2018 Tesla Model S 100D. This thing is pretty cool. We do these videos to point out any flaws so that there's no surprises to any of our out-of-town buyers. So we're gonna get started right away with the front bumper here. Front bumper looks real good. That's just dirt that'll come off. That is as well. Rest of the bumper looks real good. Just a little dirt that'll come off. Headlight looks fantastic. Grille looks perfect. Second headlight looks great. No scratches, dents, or dings on the hood. Front fender, no scratches, dents, or dings. Front wheel, no curb rash. Practically brand new tires. Side view mirror looks perfect. Driver door, excellent. Handles are all in phenomenal condition and not all scuffed up. Rear door on the driver's side is perfect. Rear passenger side, or excuse me, rear quarter panel looks great. Rear wheel on the driver's side, also no curb rash. Matching set of tires. I'm going to call these tires at about 80%. Rear bumper looks perfect. No major scuffs. Tail lights look excellent. Charging cables here. Looks super, super clean. All right. Rear quarter panel on the passenger side looks excellent. Rear wheel on the passenger side, the same, no curb rash. Passenger rear door, perfect. No scratches, dents, or dings on the passenger side at all. No bug damage on the side view mirrors. Front quarter panel looks excellent as well. Front wheel on the passenger side looks great. You got a tiny little scuff here, probably from when they put those new tires on. Glass, no chips, no stars, no bursts, no cracks. Up top looks fantastic. Driver door looks great. The buttons are all in excellent condition. Rocker panel, nice and clean. Driver's seat, excellent. Very little wear at all. Dashboard looks perfect. Steering wheel looks excellent. Passenger seat. It's got a beautiful suede headliner that's in amazing condition. This car still smells brand new inside. There is no smoke smell, no mold or mildew smell, no pet or dander smell. Get you a little bit of info here. Go. There you go. Take a look at the dash. There's no warning lights on whatsoever. Sun visors are perfect. Sometimes they get all gunked up with makeup and wear, and looks fantastic.